Hi there, I just got done installing a LED light bar on my John Deere 1025R. This is a 2018. I thought I'd do a quick video just to share a few pointers to save people a lot of time, because I spent a lot of time researching and I found out that this is pre-wired with a rear light option on the 1025R, so this black and purple line is already back there. And so what I did is I went to John Deere and they had a switch that I bought. I think it was a 10-foot switch, and so right up here you can see this is the switch now, so I can turn it on and off. But the cool thing is it's wired directly into the actual switch, so when I turn it all the way on, so the front lights and all the lights are on, the LED bar light is also on. So, and what I did, I didn't want to drill holes in my ROPS, so I've got, this is 2-inch U-bolts, zinc plated. The light can also spin forward when I'm using the bucket at night, and it will spin back. And then if I don't want this on, I can use the switch and that will turn it off. The switch that I got from John Deere had these kind of adapters on it. So the one end I had to clip and then wire into the light, but the other end, this is the kind of piece that you need to hook up to the black and purple setup in the back here. So if anyone's looking to do this, hopefully this will save you a little time. Unfortunately, I didn't have black zip ties at home, but the white ones will do for now. And the light seems to work really well. I live in Minnesota and I'm going to be doing some snow blowing tomorrow. So realized after I got this that I needed a little light in the back to be able to do that. So this hopefully will work well. I did leave extra line so the ROPS can go back. But otherwise, yeah, if anyone has any questions about any of this, feel free to let me know. Like I said, I ended up spending a lot of time trying to figure this out and thought I'd share a little bit. I got this light off of Amazon. It's a 12-inch LED light, so we'll see. I can't really give a review on that yet because I haven't used it for real, but it is waterproof, dustproof, basically weatherproof. So with that, any questions, comments, let me know. Otherwise, have a good day.